I like the graphics that you created too, so we can use more of that. And it is a lot of opportunities inside these groups too. Like once we figure out the few groups that has a lot of people that's kind of interacting and engaging every day, then those could be the groups that we kind of go in every day and kind of like search or keep looking inside the comments and different posts people are making that can turn into leads from there. So I like that that you are taking the initiative and posting in those groups and engaging with people there. So I am looking forward to the appointment later today too. Um,
Hey, what's going on? This is Don Griffin Jr. and I'm back here with another episode of Building an Empire. I'm gonna start by giving y'all an update span on an eventful past couple of weeks. I ended the last video with saying that I was moving, in the middle of moving. I'm just about done now. Got my office set up, got a home office now. Trying not to lose the momentum I've been gaining at the same time. So I've been continuing to push with meetings and setting up, even though it was some days where I had to take off, but just staying in that momentum swing. And that's what you just saw there, is me doing a couple meetings with one of my lead generation people, and also creating and optimizing some of the digital assets which needed to be kind of reconfigured in order to work more smooth from what we've been seeing, and kind of like leaning into more things that's been working or getting some results. I also been able to finally get in contact with the person that I needed to get in contact with for the building that I showed a while back ago, and walked the building. It was a nice building. Wasn't exactly what I was expecting from unit to unit, but nonetheless I will give them an offer and see if we can make something work. If not, it just keeps on moving and we find the next deal. I also have a potential partnership that I have to do a proposal for, so I'll also be doing that this week. And I had a few meetings with this person. It's also a real estate business dealing with mobile homes and acres of land, so I'm excited to like dig deep into this business because they already have a team and a vision, so I can just come in and see how they work, see what each department is doing, and getting them to kind of run more efficiently and add new revenue streams. So those are some of the things that I've been doing the past couple weeks, and that's why this video took a little longer to come out, just because of those things. So what I wanted to share now are some of the takeaways that I have from the meeting that I had with the potential partner. Some of the takeaways I got from that meeting was I was able to get a few different perspectives of people who aren't in the weeds every day of dealing with automation. What I see that people mostly think automation is something, a system that can remind you of different tasks that are coming up, instead of something that can actually do the task on your behalf. Another misconception about automation and what automation is that AI is automation, because that's like a buzzword that's going around now, is automation, and people automatically link it to AI. And what AI is artificial intelligence, if you don't know, and that's basically a subcategory of automation. It's basically a tool that you can use in order to automate a certain process or procedure. Automation can be much more than both of those things. It can do way more than remind you of different tasks with systems, or it can be more than just using automation. So to automate a process, it can be done with a system, artificial intelligence, you delegating a certain process to somebody. That's still considered automation, because it's not you physically doing the work. It's somebody who ideally loves doing that thing on behalf of your company or yourself. So just different things that you could keep your mind open to when you are thinking of automation and not just keeping it in the box of AI, artificial intelligence, and task reminders and things like that. Automation will continue to improve and be used by all different types of business owners, especially online business owners now, because of these different technologies that are coming out for the first time and probably forever. We have access to these different systems where we don't even have to use code in order to build it. We can use these different non-code platforms or systems in order to kind of tailor different machines to our business so that they can do exactly what we wanted to do in the process. So years ago, I'll say maybe around like 10 years ago or less, automation was a little more expensive to achieve. Could have cost you anywhere from like 50,000 upward because it took advanced programming skills and a lot of different tailored systems that you needed in order to make things work. And now, since all these different no code tools are available, it could cost you a few hundred to a few $1,000s to achieve automation. And that's why it's going to become more and more necessary because everybody will end up adapting to it. And a lot of people don't want to be the last person to adapt to it. So competition going to make the use of automation come faster because nobody want to be left behind, and how much of an edge using automation will give you. Just one example, have a 24/7 receptionist that's trained on your business that can replace 3 people that have to exchange that same shift to do the same job. So that's one use case, but there are many use cases for how it's going to evolve, how modern day business is done. So we live. It's August 20th, 6:30 p.m. and the light's green. We live. Mic's working. So I want to go ahead and wrap up this video, and I want to thank y'all for following along as I build my empire. And my mission, my goal is to create freedom for anyone who chooses to listen and or do business with me. So once again, I want to thank y'all for giving me y'all most valuable asset, which is your time, and hopefully y'all gave you value in return. The rest of the day I'm gonna be getting some work done, so I'll show y'all a little bit of how that looks inside of my office right now. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe.